Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to Where's Waldo Arabic Alphabet Edition. If you're not familiar with the series, in this video series, we're going to go through the last verse of Surah Al-Fath, and we're going to be looking for the letter of the video's focus. Today, in this video, we are going to be looking for a boat, right? So the reason I say boat is because the letter ba, this is how people typically know as ba. Forgive my handwriting, it's just the way I write. The letter ba, or I say a boat or a boy underneath the boat. And the reason I'm saying this is because here I'm coming at you from Space City, aka Houston. And Houston, we get rain, lots of it. And I can tell you right now, every other person's got a boat in their backyard because when the water comes in during hurricane season, you're gonna need to go to your neighbor in order to get out from drowning, essentially. So one of the things that you can do is that if you don't find yourself a boat, you're gonna find yourself underneath one. That's the simplest way to think about knowing what this letter is. Again, this is how we do it. Coming at you from Southwest Alif, Texas. In the previous video, we talked about Alif, aka Alif. But here, because we're in Alif, that's how we say it. And in this video, we're going to talk about getting on a boat, which is the letter ba or B. Now, how does ba appear in the beginning? Well, simple. In the beginning, ba will look something like that. Let me fill in that dot. In the middle, it might appear as such, and in the end, it might appear as that. So now you know how a boat looks in the beginning, the middle, and the end. So now what we're going to do, now that you have your character detail, you're going to go into detective mode, and we're going to go do some bounty hunting for the letter ba so that you can find yourself on a boat. Let's go ahead and get started. Do you see the ba in the first word? I don't. Let's keep going. Do you see a ba here? Don't worry about not knowing how to read. It's okay. All you need to know is what the letter looks like. It's simple. Just find the letter. We'll worry about reading once you know enough letters. What else we got here? Just a quick thing, in some scripts you'll find that there's a word here that's in red, and that word typically is indicating that it is Allah, because alif lam lam ha, don't worry about it, it's Allah. That is the only one worthy and deserving of worship, and that is what we're all about here. And so the question though is there the letter ba in this word? And there is not. So keep going. Is there a letter ba here? Nope. Ba here, nope. Ba, nope. Ba, 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 ba. No, I don't see no ba. Ah, there's a ba. Bainahum. Ba, ba, ba. Ba with an alif. How do we know that's a ba? Well, we did discuss how the ba looks like in the beginning of the, The cool thing about ba is a super social character, right? Ba is cool by himself, but when it comes to joining a party, being with friends, being with any one of its other characters or letters, it's more than happy to hold hands. Everybody loves ba, and ba loves everybody because it connects on both sides, beginning, middle, and end. So we found here, ba is connected to ya, bainahum. Continuing, is there a ba here? Nope, I don't see no ba, no ba, no ba. One way you can make it really quick is there a dot at the bottom? Because that's how we know one of the characteristics of bat. There's a dot on the bottom. So quickly, is there a dot, 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 dot? Oh, there's a dot on the bottom, but that don't look like a bat. All right, keep going. Ah, there's two dots. Nope, that's not it. Ah, there we go. Yaba, yabatahuna. So we've got a dot at the bottom. We know that's a bat. Keep going. Any more dot, 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 dot? No, no dot, no dot, no dot, no dot, no dot. Oh, there's no bat there. Next line. Any bat. Do you notice any dot on the bottom? Any dot? Oh, there's a dot on the bottom, but that doesn't look like a bat. All right, keep going. Any more dot on the bottom? No more dots at the bottom. All right, next line. Again, look for the, oh, there's a dot on the bottom. That's not a bat though. All right, keep going. Got two dots. That's not a bat. Keep going. Any more? There's a dot on the bottom, but that's not a bat either. Keep going. Any more dots? Any more dots? You're basically working like a rescue person. It's Houston. There's a lot of water. You're looking for people who are not on the boat. So you got to save that person who's drowning. No bat there. Any more dots on the bottom? Anybody floating on the bottom? Oh, That's not a ba. Oh, there's a ba. We know that's a ba because that's what ba looks like towards the end. So we found them. Let's go rescue that individual. Keep going. Any more ba at the bottom? Oh, bihimu. That's a different looking ba, right? So we can add that to a special design because that's a meme. But as long as there's a dot on the bottom, we know that that is a ba. This is where we were at, right? So any more dots on the bottom? Any more dots at the bottom? No more dots at the bottom. Any more dots? Dots at the bottom. Any more? Any more? Any more? There's a dot, but that don't look like a ba. All right, let's keep going. And that's it. There's no more bas in this passage, specifically in this verse. Now, quick exercise for you. Go ahead and tally up how many times the letter ba appeared in this particular verse. Let me know down in the comments below, and happy rescuing all of those dots that are drowning in the river, and save them from drowning, get them on the boat. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.